I've always been outdoorsy and crafty and things like that, and this was just love at first sight. I couldn't believe that metal could move like that. There's a part of my heart in every piece that I make. Most people are surprised to meet a female blacksmith. It's a little rare. And they assume that I make horseshoes. I don't make horseshoes. I make decorative ironwork for people's homes. Blacksmithing for me, I would say, came naturally. Over time, I have learned to watch the color of the steel, and just naturally, my ears have tuned into the different sounds that the anvil makes. And then also the feel of the steel under the hammer. That all just comes with years of practice and work. I have been a mom since July of 2012, and the biggest challenge is balancing family and work. I'm giving up some time with my kids to make a piece for somebody else. Some days it feels like it'd be a lot easier to just wait until they go to school, but then once I'm out here, it just feels right. I would classify myself as a modern blacksmith because I use some modern tools like a welder, and I have a plasma cutter. But for the blacksmithing part of it, it's still traditional anvil, hammer, forge. I use a propane forge now, whereas it used to be coal. Some things have changed, but the technique is still there. There's been some reactions from older gentlemen that maybe their father or grandfather was a blacksmith out on the farm back in the day, and so they are the ones that seem to have a bit of conflict with it. But usually, once they watch me or hear me talk about it, then I guess they come around to it. My oldest son, he comes out here while my little guy's napping. I have like a hammer for him so that he can tinker on the anvil or the swedge block, or he's out here tinkering, watching, seeing what Mom does. I hope that it sets a really good example for the kids. They're not going to learn blacksmithing anywhere else. Not only are they learning, I'm learning all the time. And seeing something through their eyes is amazing. Like, you kind of get to relive your youth because everything is so new and fresh to them. I think that motherhood is definitely a challenge, and I think it's really good to have something for you. It's showing your kids something new and showing your kids a different side of you. My oldest son loves the stuff that I make, and he's always like, "You made that, Mom? That's cool." There's a great sense of pride in what I do. I'm really proud of what I make, and I hope that they one day will see how hard I've worked for this. I don't think I've proven anybody wrong. I think that I've taught some people about what any person can do, not just a woman, any person can do.